What's up, everyone? Just got to the airport. It's gonna be an amazing adventure going to Arizona. Come along for the ride. Yo, we just landed. It's like 95 degrees. I don't know why I put on my jacket. Woo! Nice blue skies. Gonna be a blast here in Arizona. What's up, everyone? Shaman's back. It's the next day. Didn't get to bring the GoPro along to dinner. It was more of a family thing, just hanging out with my grandma. But it's been a blast hanging out with her. It's hot, it's like 99 degrees today. Just come along for our adventure today. What's up? Just got to the dispensary. Gonna get a couple joints. It's 21, it's recreational here. It's gonna be a blast. Let's check it out. Just got done with the dispensary. They didn't allow cameras in there, unfortunately, but it was really cool. Never been to an Arizona dispensary. They gave me a free shirt for showing up. Super cool. Reef dispensary. I got a free lighter. Got some pre-rolls. You know, got a cartridge. You know, let's check out the lighter real quick. Anytime you guys are in Arizona, Reef Dispensary, they definitely got the hookup. Looks like they're in Vegas and Reno. Just got to the Santan Regional Park. It's super barren and hot and dry. There's cactuses galore. It's as far as the eye can see. Gonna be sending the drone up. Catching hopefully some good photos, some good video. Don't really know what everything looks like around, but hopefully can get over there, get over the mountains, maybe fly a little bit that direction. Who knows? You know, I'm just gonna explore this little area. The regional park area, more recreational areas, just down the road a little bit more. Maybe fly over that, check that out. Over there is where we're staying in Santan Valley. And then Phoenix area is just over these mountains, farther off. Maybe the drone can capture some downtown. I'm not sure, it's a little smoggier day. We might not be able to see it, but should be a blast. Let's check out the drone footage. What's up, guys? Just got to the airport. It's really early the next morning. We're gonna be picking up Carissa because she decided to fly down here to Arizona for one day, so it should be really exciting. Hopefully she's gonna be coming down these escalators. That's what I was told, that most of the arrivals will come down the escalator. So my fingers are crossed that I chose the right escalator. Should be a blast to see her and have a real fun day. Carissa just arrived here to Arizona. It's gonna be a blast, just spending one day with her. We're gonna go do some fun stuff. Gonna go get some breakfast right now. How's your flight? Short flight from Salt Lake City, but still glad she's here. Just got to a place called Snooze at AM Eatery. Just gonna get some breakfast. Ordered a Bloody Mary. It's gonna be really good. Not sure what I'm gonna order yet, but let's check it out. Just got our food. Hash browns, pineapple, pancakes. Should be real good. Krista got a Benedict with some avocado, some more hash browns. I'm gonna dig in and I'll let you guys know how it was. Just finished breakfast. Snooze at the AM Eatery. If you guys ever come into the Tempe area, do recommend this place. It was a really good breakfast. They got great choices and, you know, some great drinks. Now we're off to the next adventure. We just arrived to the swap meet here in Mesa. It's called the Mesa Market Swap Meet. Supposedly over 1,500 vendors total. So we could be spending hours here. Let's hopefully find something good. Here's a cool shop. It's got all kinds of different fabrics and whatnot. My dad's getting a cool hemp hat. It's real cool. Check that out. We're checking out your hat. Yep. Got a cool hat. I'm getting a cool blanket here.
All set for you on the slot.
Chris got a nice fanny pack.
So who's gonna carry this stuff?
I'm gonna. Yeah, this is a real cool area. Definitely enjoyed this one. Hell yeah, let's see what else they have here. Going through this crystal shop. My father found something he liked. So he's getting a little nice sphere of crystals. There's some really cool stuff they got here. Very beautiful. He's very excited that he got something. Heck yeah. We just got done here with the swap meet. Gonna head back to the place and cool off. What's up, guys? We're at the airport now. Finished our trip at Arizona. It was a quick one. It was a great trip. We had a blast. Thanks for coming along and enjoying it with me. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, and comment some of your favorite parts. I'm curious just to see what you guys are liking. I'll see you next time.